There is a number of capability you can do. I'll try to show you some of them. So once you're on a particular record page, you can right click on select the new option, open SF Explorer panel. So this directly opens you a new window. On the right, you directly have access to your record detail. So it's different from what you have here presented, as it's showing you the technical details about your object, right? So this is the same information. You see this is the address here, but you see you can directly jump on see information about this particular field. That's part of your record. So this, if I click on the address, for example, I can see the usage. So it's used 100%. So out of the 12 records I have in my RAW, all of them have an address, right? I can see the information on the profiles or permissions that provide me a visibility on this field, or even edition on this field. So I have a number of things. For example, here, this particular permission set is opening me this visibility from here on the system administrator one. So from here, you can directly even look into more detail onto what DreamWorks space set is, on what other fields it opens, and so on. So here it opens other fields from the property object, like the bed, the bath, and so on. And from there, you can again click on and jump into other information about other fields. So it's really easy for you to drill into your org and, for example, see other things like the dependency. So where exactly is this field used, right? The dependency, for example, telling me there are two flows, right? One apex class and one layout that use this field. You can also directly edit the field from here to change the label, to change the description, and even create and clone this data to create a new field just by renaming this, right? This will actually create a new field in your org, and that's as easy as that. So anyway, I am going to do that correctly, right? It's just a patch, so change the data you want. You can do this from here. No, it's working on okay. So it's going to refresh once we go to refresh to a new page. So this is refreshed from here, and again that's also something interesting. If you pin SF Explorer, so pinning it is directly from your extension here. You select this option to pin it. You can open SF Explorer as a full window, and that gives you access to a lot more options. You have the full screen, and so this gives you access to all the features in SF Explorer. You see your connected user on the top, and all the options, just like in Salesforce, on this action menu. To the property, I'm going to show what are the components behind it by show LWC information. And here you see some new information in your screen. You see in blue, that's new. You can click now on property location. That's going to open the property location LWC component, right? And from here you can directly open and fix your component. That's all. On this, it's a success. It just saved into your org. Now, if you go back and refresh, and you see this is a component which just fixed. So it's there. It's been saved a minute ago. Something I wanted to show you is from the best practices, right? So here you can run and customize this as best practices in your org, like saying there must be a description, there must be less than 100 custom fields, object name must be Pascal case, and so on. So all of these are rules you will define. You can then run them at since a given date. So I'm going to run them, for example, from January 1st. So I can pick today. Let's say I'm going to pick on last week, something like this. I'm going to run the rule. I don't think there is any error right now to compute. Yeah, there is more error from last week. As you can see, there is a number of error here. It's telling me the custom rename must be Pascal case because there is here an underscore, and this